How to hide your following list on Instagram in the easiest way. So if you want to go ahead and hide your Instagram following list, as you can see these followers over here from people by checking them, there's two things you can do. So first and foremost, you're going to come over to your Instagram settings in the top right. And of course, to do this, first and foremost, there is going to be the account privacy. Now, if your account is a public account, in that case, there's not a lot you can do. So first of all, privatize your account just so your following list is hidden. And once you have done that, even as a public account, if you want to hide it from certain people, what you can do is you can restrict the people you want to hide it from. So open up restricted. And once you open up restricted over here, what you can simply do is search for people you want to restrict the account from. And it's really easily restrictable as well. So once you go ahead and do these two things, your followers list will be hidden from the general audience. That is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.